Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive link. You know, the easiest way. Full 2026 guide. This works great whether you're sending product images to a collaborator, sharing marketing materials, or backing up important store files. First, click on the shared link you received. This will open the folder in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has permission to upload. If you're using multiple accounts, double-check this step. Nothing's worse than uploading to the wrong account and losing track of your files. Next, confirm that you have the right to upload. You should see an Add Files or Upload button. If you don't see it, double-check with the folder owner. Sometimes permissions are set to View Only, which means you won't be able to add files until they give you editing access. Click Add Files, or drag and drop the file directly into the folder. You can upload documents, images, or even large media files, like product videos or high-res photos. Just keep an eye on the folder storage limit, especially if the folder belongs to a shared team account. Going over the limit can cause uploads to fail. Yeah, after you select your file, Google Drive will start uploading. You'll see a small progress bar at the bottom right. Wait until it reaches 100% before closing the page or navigating away. This is especially important for large files or slow internet connections, to avoid corruption or incomplete uploads. Finally, make sure your file appears in the folder. You can refresh the page, check the timestamp, or even ask the folder owner to confirm, just to be sure. This step is a quick sanity check, especially if you're sharing files with teammates or clients and need to make sure nothing is missing. And that's it. That's how you upload files to a shared Google Drive link. Super simple, and super useful for keeping your team organized and your store assets in one place. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. It really helps the channel, and you'll get notified whenever we share easy tips to save time and stay organized.